Today I show you what are the most important, most essential tools to have in your home, in your house, especially if you move to a new home, in a new flat or in a house. The most important thing to have is pliers, really. And actually, even better, if you don't want to have pliers, if you don't have it, you can use these pump pliers. And these things, they're really very amazing to grab things and be able to open things. So pliers and the pump pliers, I believe I used the pump pliers more than the pliers when I needed to, and they can be used in so many ways, especially when you need to grip something that's really larger than the pliers size. So if you have to choose between one or the other, choose the pump pliers anytime. You can always buy more tools later. Also, you will need some kind of screwdriver set, and these are ideal with the bits and the main screwdriver, where you can have many sizes, many shapes, like star, Phillips, flathead, different even Torx or Allen keys. You can have all of those like this in a set. Don't buy the most expensive ones. There are some really expensive ones, but you don't need to. I mean, especially if you don't really know much about these things, you can buy the basic things, the cheapest options now, and later, if you need more options, if you need something better, you will buy more. I have a lot of these screwdriver sets. I have like a hobby gathering them, but I don't get all of them. Also, another really important thing is to have a box cutter. These cutters are very, very useful. And you can renew the blades. You can even snap the worn out blades to make them work like new. Here it's called a utility knife, but I know it as a box cutter, and you don't need to get the most expensive one. The expensive ones are really comfortable to use. So if you have 200 boxes that you need to open, unpack them, then yeah, get a better quality one, more expensive with a better grip. But otherwise, if you might use it or you might never use it, just get the cheapest one. This is the cheapest option. This one is they're really cheap. I'll make this into a little mini series of videos, but in a future video I'll show you more things. But really, pliers or pump pliers, and the cutter, and you can even have some kind of a screwdriver that's by itself, not in the set. These are useful for when you need to open a screw that is not accessible with the screwdriver sets, that the drill bits, they don't go. It's usually there's a hole, and there is the screw somewhere deep in those holes, and then you can't get to that with the screwdriver with bits. Then you need to use one of these simple screwdrivers. You could use the thinner ones, but ideally you should have these type of electrician screwdrivers, the flathead and the Phillips head, PH2 and 5.5 millimeter, these ones. But the most simple ones that are available in the shop, there are multiple sizes, so yeah, you might want to leave this for later if you need them or no, but it's good to know about them in case you need to buy some screwdrivers, if you need to open some things that are not easy to open, because many times the screw is somewhere deep in a hole, like a radio or something. If you want to open it, it's gonna be difficult with these with the bits of screwdrivers. So then you have to use a dedicated screwdriver, even the thinner ones, not these ones. But this is really the most basic kit you can have at home. You can build your toolbox. You could have a toolbox with this, but you don't need to. You can keep them in a plastic bag. You can keep them in any bag. Old laptop bag, it's ideal for this. I use them for all laptop bags. This type of screwdriver is used to check if there is live electricity. You put your finger on that top part there, and if the light turns on, that means there is dangerous electricity for the plugs. It's not really ideal to play with these kind of things, but it's useful to have this screwdriver for the tip, because that's easy to tighten some of the screws that are not easy to tighten otherwise. This is the basic set. You don't really need more than this, and you can always buy more later. I hope this helps you. There's a future video coming soon for these extra things.